Hi guys, welcome to a new episode with Life's Expensive Fix. So after we changed a lot of stuff on to the G35 Infiniti, so I feel the car has a small vacuum leak. If you guys have a leak in the cars, I'll show you how to find out what the leak is. Stay with me guys. So I did change the cold intake, I changed the PCV valve, but in this side you hear some vacuum leak. So what I gotta do, I already remove the cover, and I feel like from the PCV, that's when I move it, yeah, they're leaking from the PCV vacuum. This we can lose a lot of horsepower, so we gotta fix this. So I gotta open the clip and make sure the vacuum is in place. So guys, what I did, so I remove it a little bit, the vacuum line, and use the clip for open the clip for, and I card the line, I card it like that because I use aftermarkets. I don't use the OEM one, and I put it back. Let's start the car and see what's going on. So what's happened guys, I have to change the clamp, the one you have in there and that one. I gotta put aftermarkets one to tighten back because I think it's not tight good, so I have to change that. Stay with me. So guys, so I found the problem was the PCV valve was loose, so I have to tie it back again. There we go, get tight. So PCV valve was loosened when I start the car was give smoke. So PCV valve, when we use it, when I tied it, use 15-16 sockets like that, you can tie it. So we're gonna make sure, because like that you can lose a lot of horsepower and the car smoke. So it's good now, and of course change the clip with that one. It's gonna be good. Okay guys, so I did fix the problem. So the PCV valve was loose, and the hose, so the one I changed because it's not the factory, it's aftermarket. So I have to change. Don't put the OEM clamp like those. Don't put them back. Always put up the aftermarket one and tie them good. So now the car doesn't shake anymore. And always, if you have you feel you have a vacuum leak and you can't figure out what the problem is, spray some brake cleaner and the top the engine, and you see if the engine change, the top they get changed, the engine that starts shaking means the place you have the leak for. And turn it off and change the hose easy. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and see you to another video, to another trick. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and make like to the video if you like the video. Thank you guys, and have a good one.